Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to make the peanut butter cupcake. All you need is 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. You just squeeze all the dry ingredients and set aside. So you got another bowl, and here we need a half cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of peanut butter. I use the Golden Farm peanut butter, but any brand you can use, it depends on you. Whatever is available, that's fine. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. So I just use the electric mixer. Just mix all the ingredients until everything are all combined. Then we will use only 1 egg. Combine the 1 egg and then continue mixing it just like that. Then mix in the mashed ripe banana. I just use 1 medium ripe banana. That's why in this recipe, it's very important to use the electric mixer so that everything will be incorporated, fully incorporated. Just scrape down the butter on the sides of the bowl. And then we will add the flour gradually. The flour ingredients, I just add it into 3/4 so that all will be properly incorporated. The second part, continue mixing again. And the last part of the flour ingredients or the flour mixture. So continue mixing it, but do not over mix. So you can see the consistency. Then just use the spatula and scrape down the butter on the sides of the bowl. Just do the mix and fold. But as I've said, do not over mix. Okay, this recipe can make 6 cupcakes. And don't forget to preheat your oven to 175 degrees C. So I don't have the cupcake liner, so I just use the muffin cupcakes. And I use the 3-ounce ice cream scoop. So you just fill in each cupcake liner with the butter. Just evenly divide butter. Just like I said, this recipe can yield 6 cupcakes. Very easy to make. Well then, that's it. So the cupcakes are ready, and we put inside the oven. Just bake it at 175 C for 20 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. And the surface, you see, look at that, it becomes golden brown. Wow, smells good. Smells the peanut butter and the banana. You can see the texture. I'm not sure, maybe this is not over baked. You can see, we just look at the inside so we can see the texture. There you go. It's not dry. Yes, it is moist. And see the inside. Wow, it's not dry or too moist. It's enough and taste yummy. There, see? So thank you guys for watching.